Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, I would like to apologize because I could not bring videos in the Asian session because I was busy. I had some work and I was out of station. So I could not bring videos. So I'm back again. So first of all, let's talk about DXY. So as discussed in my previous video on Saturday, that the market opening will be very crucial for the market because DXY closed at the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, and right after the market opening, we could see DXY struggling to maintain the support. DXY failed after a couple of hours and again took support or tried to take support around Fibonacci 78.6. After that, DXY made a minor bounce and right now DXY is trying to recover again. Right now standing at 104.64. If we look at the major structure of the market, then this market is sideways. So as a result, market should remain within the range only, because if you look at the news, gold pauses for rate hike used from Fed's Powell. So my dear friends, market is waiting for the news so that it can move. Okay, so most probably DXY will stay within the range for the next couple of days, and so I think and gold will also just stay within the range only. If you look at the chart of bond, US government 10-year bond, we can see that bond chart is also trying to take support around this area. So this particular support on the US government bond chart is also equally important. In case market drops, or if this particular level fails to provide support to the market, then if we market will start falling and we will see big recovery on the chart of gold. So as a result, the support on the chart of bond will also be very important. DXY is trying to recover. Okay, this is not a strong recovery, but the support level on the bond chart will be very important during the US session. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of gold. So this is the 1 hour time frame on the chart. And on the 1 hour time frame, we can see a possible wedge pattern. Okay, to be honest, right now, okay, I'm not very convinced about a wedge pattern, but yes, I think that we have a wedge pattern on the chart. And already I have shown you in my previous video that if we consider the history of the market, then for the last 40-50 years, we have seen massive selling in the month of March. If you look at the monthly chart of gold, then you will see that in the month of March, the price has shown considerable rejection from above. So as a result, we may see good amount of selling in the coming days as well. But as of now, market is waiting for the news. So let's talk about the levels first. First of all, the resistance level of 1864 to 1870 is still very much valid, and this is the most important and the strongest resistance on the chart of gold, at least for today and tomorrow. My dear friend, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday where I have shown how we have derived these levels, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So 1864 to 70 is a big resistance zone. Yeah, this you can see it is a big resistance zone. Once market will enter inside the zone, be careful, do not take any position. Just switch to 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame and just see whether market is showing price rejection from above or not. Once you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position. For additional confirmation, you can look at the chart of bond, you can look at the chart of US dollar index. If these are going in the opposite direction, that will be an additional confirmation for you. Okay, so this is the resistance, and the next support on the chart of Euro USD, gold USD is around 1844 to 1845. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. My brain is on Euro USD today. Okay, sorry. Okay, is around 1844 to 45, and the reason is again Fibonacci as well as previous resistance around this area. So previous resistance will act as support, as well as we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if market comes down, if market starts falling, One market will reach this particular level, observe the market. Okay, if you see market taking support, if you see market is showing hammer kind of a pattern, good price rejection from below, you can click on the buy button. Okay, in case this level phase, let's assume that DXY starts showing big green candles, bond chart starts showing big green candles, then obviously gold will start falling, and this level will also break, because no level is permanent in the market. Yes, this is a Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, previous resistance to act as support, but is this permanent? No. So as a result, we need to be very, very careful with our hard-earned money. As I always say, my dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So when market will reach this particular level, you observe the market. If you see market taking support, then only go for a buy position. In case you see the market is falling with a big red candle, then obviously you should avoid. In that case, okay, in that case, you can wait for the next support, that is around 1839 to 37. You can expect a bounce of 30, 40, 50 pips around 1830 to 37. Because see, when market is falling and when market will hit a particular support, you cannot expect a trend reversal all the time, but at least you can expect a bounce. Okay, it's just like throwing a ball on the floor. Okay, so when market will bounce a little bit, you can go for a buy position. Okay, and if you're experienced enough, you can go for a sell below 1844 as well, but be careful, because it can be a little bit risky, because after falling so much, okay, after falling for almost 100 pips, when you are taking a sell position, then it may be a little bit risky as well. So as a result, I'm just saying that you can consider taking a buy position if market takes support on 1844.45 in case this level fails, because after all, Fibonacci 23.6 is the weakest. Okay, if we compare with others, we have the next support on 1839.37. 1839.37 is more or less a good, I'll say a medium reliable level, and 1831 to 1829 is the strongest support on the chart of gold right now. Okay, previously the strongest support was 1790. Remember, 1790 to 1788, I believe. Okay, but market showed a good amount of reversal, so as a result, we did not get any chance to see the face of 1790 again. But if the sale continues, then we may get to see the face again. But as of now, okay, try to trade from level to level, because the market is waiting for the news. So there is a good chance that we will not get to see a particular trend continuing in the market. So as a result, it's better to trade from level to level. So right now we can see market is approaching 1844.45. Okay, so wait for this particular level. If you're already on a sell position, be on the trade, because hopefully you're in good profit right now already. My dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.